Hi everyone. So let me start this video. And इस वीडियो में we will be talking about a very important topic which is Accenture hiring 2026. Okay, and the criteria to go for the next round and get the interviews. It is a very important video. First of all, make sure to like this video because I will be telling you very minute details about this, what you actually need to do, what is qualifying, what is selection. There are a lot of things to understand, so make sure to watch this video till the end, otherwise you will be missing out a lot of things. So that's it. Okay, and before starting it, I just want to give you a little promotion. So you can purchase the Accenture mock test series if you have still your test left. Okay, you can prepare from this. You will be getting the Accenture paper with the screenshots. Second, you will be getting the game based question guidance. Okay, however, you need to do the games on spot, but guidance you will be getting here. Also, for technical assessment preparation, there are a lot of sources available. We mainly focused on technical assessment because this is a mass elimination round. So similar questions to Accenture, you will get more than 200 questions, updated pattern with mock test with timer like pseudo codes and networking, operating systems, other tests you will be getting here, mock test for the preparation. Also, this paper is very important. Similar kind of questions Accenture is asking in every set. Okay, and a lot of pseudo codes for coding assessment you will be getting the mock test. Okay, so previous year with the solutions you will be getting here for coding. Okay, so a lot of things, SQL full PDF is available, a lot of things you will be getting, so you can purchase it. Link will be in the description for preparation. Okay, now let's come to the main point, which is Accenture hiring 2026. Let's understand. So first there is a behavior assessment. Okay, behavior. Now in this behavior assessment, actually, what is the importance of it? No importance. It is just a kind of complete application assessment. It is a non-elimination round. Okay, it's a non-elimination round. It is just to understand your behavior. Okay, it doesn't matter much. So no need to prepare so much about it. Nothing is the cutoff. Whatever you are feeling, you can just give the answers. Second is cognitive assessment. Now from this, the important part is coming. Okay, now, what is this cognitive assessment? It is basically game based. Okay, it's basically game based aptitude. Now, in this game based aptitude, you will be getting three games which you need to play. Okay, so in this round, there are total two things. Okay, the score of this round will be used for your overall selection plus overall round clearance. Please understand the thing quickly, plus next round. Okay, now what it means, understand carefully. Okay, so first, when you will be giving the game based assessment, suppose there is a qualifying score. Now what is this qualifying score? Qualifying score means if you will clear this qualifying score, you will be moving to the next round, which is technical assessment. Otherwise you will get reject immediately. Okay, and you will not proceed with the next round, which is technical assessment. Okay, so qualifying score, suppose the qualifying score is 50%. So suppose if you are completing the 50% of games, what they are expecting, what is their criteria, if you are completing the 50% of games, if you cleared, you will immediately moved to the technical assessment, and this round you cleared. Okay, this round you, so it's a very good part that at least you score the qualifying marks and you proceed with the next round. Okay, now second is overall marks. Okay, overall marks. So now qualifying marks you already scored to qualify the next round. But to clearing the full online assessment, which consists of cognitive plus technical, okay, plus coding. The all scores of cognitive, technical, and coding will be deciding if you are moving forward with the interviews or not. Okay. So the score will be added in this thing also if you can get an interview or not. And this thing actually Accenture recruiters confirmed in the last hiring process that the individual scores matter in getting the interviews. Okay, so qualifying marks is good, you will be moving with the next round, but the score will be also important to get the interviews. Okay, I hope you guys got it. Now if you qualify for this round, you will get technical assessment again. there are two things. One will be the overall score, which will be added to see if you can get the interview or not after adding with the overall score. So it will be getting added with the overall score. Plus, there will be some qualifying score. Okay. Now, this qualifying score also matters in this one a lot because many candidates are getting rejected in this round immediately. So around 30 to 50% depending upon your college. Okay. Because in some colleges, the elimination rate is less after the technical round. In some colleges, the elimination rate is high after the technical assessment. Okay. So now in the technical assessment also there is a qualifying score. So if you will surpass the qualifying score, you will be moving forward with the next round, which is coding test. Okay. And if you will not clear the technical assessment, you will get rejected immediately. You will not get the coding test. Okay. So the qualifying score is very, very important. You can, again, you can say around 50% or something is the qualifying score for technical assessment, and technical assessment is also hard. Okay. So if you will qualify it, you will move forward with the coding assessment. So you will be getting your results immediately. In next 5 minutes, you will be proceeding with the next assessment. Okay. Only in the 5 minutes on the same screen, you will be getting your next assessment. Otherwise, you will be getting rejected there only. Okay. So next is coding assessment. Now, for the coding assessment, there is no qualifying score. Okay. There is no qualifying score. For coding assessment, you will be attempting the coding assessment. Okay. After the coding assessment, you will be whatever you will be doing in the coding assessment, the whole score of cognitive plus technical plus coding will be combined, will be seen like what you have performed in all of these three rounds. And this, the whole score will decide if you will go for the communication round or not. And communication round is like a very, very less elimination round. Okay. There was a communication round firstly which was non-elimination, but now it is elimination, but very less elimination. Okay. So don't expect a mass elimination in the communication round, but will you be moving forward with the communication round or not, that will be decided, the overall decided based on the cognitive, technical and coding assessment score. Whatever you are scoring in this, you will be moving forward with the communication round. Okay. Now after the communication round, again you will be moving forward with the interview. Okay. So this will be your whole process for Accenture for the cutoff. Okay. Now talking about the cutoff, see, I would suggest you to score at least 70 to 75%. It would be a great score, good score to at least proceed, proceed to the communication round. Okay. Because suppose if you are scoring 50 to 60% also, it will let you go with the next assessment. Okay. So suppose if you scored 60% in cognitive, okay, 60% games you have performed very well. So you will go with the next assessment, which is technical. But in the overall score, maybe this score will be little bit less in the overall selection for the next round. Okay. I hope you guys understand what is overall and what is sectional. So sectional score is important to move for the next round, next assessment, and overall score is important to move for the next round. Okay. And suppose technical also, suppose you score 50 to 60%, that's a good score to get the coding assessment. Okay. But it's not maybe a good score to get the overall selection for the proceeding with the next round. Okay. So overall score should be good because overall score will be decider factor within the students. Okay. Like how many percent is the fellow students are scoring to get to the next round. Okay. So that's why it is important. I hope you guys understood the assignment. Baki, I would suggest you for the cognitive, you can easily score 70 to 80%. The games are easy. Okay. Only one game is difficult, the memory one. Okay. For the technical, definitely it's a hard round. Okay. Out of which you can try to solve 30 to 32 questions correctly. Okay. So if you will solve 30 to 32 questions correctly, it would be a good score. Okay. If you will touch 35 to 37, it would be a very, very good score. So try to solve these much questions out of your 45 questions. Okay. For coding, coding is a easy round, and Accenture is expecting the high cutoff in that. So one coding question, it's easy. Definitely you need to solve at least some test cases. Okay, but if you will solve the full question, definitely it will benefit you to get your next round. Okay. One SQL also important. If you will perform little bit less in web, that will work, but at least in coding and SQL, try to perform good, same as cognizant. Okay, so this would be your whole criteria, and for overall preparation you can purchase the mock test. The link will be in the description. You will get a good idea, like the paper with the screenshots will give you very good idea. And some recent assessments we have added, like coding sets. Okay, game based questions instructions we have added, and similar questions to Accenture we have added. Updated pattern mock test we have added, like pseudocodes you will be getting with the screenshots, all you will be getting here. Okay, and situational based questions also you will be getting for the practice. Coding questions you will be getting previous year. So you can purchase it, link will be in the description. Thank you so much for watching.